32 day, no? Oh, malusugin lang. Hey guys, so today we are trying out Jollibee's newest dessert, Choco Mallow pie. So I've been very excited about this one since it was posted on Facebook by Jollibee and it's finally come here in Cebu. Let's try it out, guys. Tara, atong sulayan guys. Dami siya eh. Dami siya. Yung filling. Init pa ang chocolate niya. Marami. May ko na ka ng usarang ipalit. Dapat ako itong itulog. Itagkahan ako for me. Nagpila ka seconds guys. Hulot na ito. Choco Mallow pie. I want more. Tayo kaya ang Jollibee sa akong building. Malamig siya. I would have loved to buy it next time. Mukha akong Jollibee. So see you in the next vlog. Bye.